See, I'm shooting this video at night because I can't keep this bottled up any longer. If you've been struggling to pay for your Facebook and Instagram ads, your card keeps getting declined and you have, all sorts of payment issues on Facebook. Here are two ways to solve that really stressful problem. One, get a virtual dollar card from a company like Chipper or Payday. You can get a virtual dollar card and pay for your ads and connect it to your Facebook ad account. Be warned though, paying with a virtual dollar card, you'll probably be losing money to high conversion rates. And if your ad account is in Naira, you would be paying double. This has happened to me. The second and the easiest method is actually to create a Naira prepaid account. This is actually the reason why I'm shooting this video. A Naira prepaid account will save you all the stress in the world, all your payment issues, or you're looking for a dollar card. A Naira prepaid account solves this. So you can create one by yourself, or you can get a professional to create a Naira prepaid account for you. If you need help with that, you can reach out to me. But all I'm saying is get yourself a Naira prepaid account and you come back to this video and say thank you. C'est fini. And all your payment issues would be solved.